Your Acura MDX key fob from 2007 to 2014 models uses a CR2032 battery to remotely lock and unlock doors and the trunk. When the key fob stops working, the CR2032 battery is likely the issue. Replacement is easy and inexpensive. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to replace the battery. CR2032 batteries cost $2 to $5 and are widely available from retailers like Amazon and auto parts stores. Some users report better longevity with high-quality brands like Energizer or Duracell. Key fob repair kits are also available online for $10 to $20. Extreme temperatures, below -10 degrees Celsius or above 40 degrees Celsius, can accelerate battery drain. If your remote stops working after opening the case, the problem is usually a detached ribbon cable. Gently pry open the key fob case with the screwdriver at the key blade end. Remove the old battery, noting the positive side faces up. Inspect the ribbon cable. If disconnected, carefully reconnect it by aligning the pins and pressing gently. This cable connects the circuit board to the buttons. Place the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the circuit board. Snap the case back together. Test the remote functions. If the ribbon cable is the issue, reseating it should resolve the problem in most cases.